View external requests made by WordPress Core and improve slow website. In this tutorial I will show you how to use external requests by WordPress Core functions and improve them using this simple plugin. I am using a plugin called HTTP Requests Manager. It is designed to view external requests, which is also known as WP HTTP requests. So after installing and running for a couple days, navigate to Tools, HTTP Requests Manager page from your WordPress admin. Then select Group by Initiator, and it will show external requests grouped by initiator. In this case, we will see breakdown which core functions use external requests. So WordPress uses external requests for checking updates, for version checking, like your PHP version, database version, and other PHP features. Like you can see, just click on that and you can see all these extensions, PHP extensions, which extensions your server has, and will it work with current version of WordPress. So it checks that. And browse happy requests. These requests are from my plugin. And in this video we are focusing on requests by WordPress Core. So WordPress Core requests are grouped like this: core, then colon, and browse happy. For example, this is a feature of WordPress Core. And another group of requests is Cron requests. Also plugin info. This happens when you go to plugin repository and click on any plugin to view more info about that plugin, like read description, view images, view reviews, etc. So if you can navigate as well to other pages. Here you will see also grouped requests. So update check, version check. Here is another one. Health check. It's also a core feature. And plugin info, we discussed others. And here another one, download. So this is when WordPress downloads a plugin zip file for updating existing plugin. So in this page we have two more core features. One is Pingback, another is Enclosure check. So this Pingback is occurred one when I was experimenting with Pingbacks, and we can group all Pingbacks and Enclosure checks as differently, so it's easier to see how many Pingbacks, how many Enclosure checks happening. And additionally, you can click on any request, view more info like request data and response data. So this page is inside the cron, which is like 150 seconds took to generate this page, and it has 830 requests. So you can view that information. So what to do with all these core features, how to optimize them, and are they affecting your website speed? So generally we think that when we have a clean WordPress without any plugins, it should be fast. Because it's new, it don't have any custom code, and it should be fast. But it's not always true, because WordPress Core also has slow features for example, external requests are very slow. So it doesn't depend if your plugin makes external request or if WordPress Core makes external request. So if we have too many external requests, then our website will be slow. And grouping by initiator will help to distinguish which external request, which feature makes that external request. And it's much easier to see what's happening. For example, with Pingbacks, we can disable Pingbacks by going to settings, and we will not have any Pingback requests, which is big improvement. But you will not know about this if you don't group your requests by WordPress functions. So once we saw it, we can remember that we should disable pingbacks, and we'll go to settings and disable it. And this bar here shows how many requests, like in comparison to other requests, other functions and features. So we can see here that update check is too many update checks. For example, 48, like it's 48%. It's almost half of all requests are update checks. Do we need that many update checks? Probably not. And if we scroll and see when this update checks was made, it's like last 3 days of update checks. And this blue line shows successful requests, and orange line shows blocked requests. Why they are blocked? Because request was made on slow page. So this plugin has feature called smart block operation mode, so it will block requests on slow pages. So this update check was blocked, and it's okay to block some update checks because we have so many of them, and it will not affect our WordPress functionality. You can see that all other update checks are okay, and only some of them were blocked. Another feature is version check, which I showed earlier, and you can see that some of them were blocked. So here is another one which is fully blocked, which is intentionally blocked. Browse happy is when WordPress checks your browser, and if you are using very old browser like Internet Explorer from, I don't know, 2000, then it will show you that there is a more modern browser like Firefox or Chrome, and will suggest you download and use that in order to use all WordPress user admin interface features. But nowadays nobody uses old Internet Explorer 6 or 7, I don't know. Everyone uses Chrome, Firefox, Opera and Safari, all modern browsers, so there is no need for browse happy checks. So that's why all of them are blocked by smart block, which is a huge improvement, because browse happy checks mostly happen when you first log into WordPress admin, and you don't want to have a very slow admin interface every time when you log in. So all of them are blocked here. Another feature is Cron. So generally this plugin don't log all cron requests, because in one day you may have hundreds or couple hundreds cron requests, so you don't need to view all of them. If plugin showed all of them, then your report will be too crowded by cron jobs, and it's not good because you cannot see then other requests, because you need to go other pages, and to find different requests. So that's why these cron requests report only when they are blocked. And why they are blocked? This one is blocked because of slow page. And here are in total 5 cron jobs, but it says like 4 hours, 2 hours, and in 2 days. In 2 days, 5 cron jobs blocked. And don't worry, you will have hundreds cron jobs. They are running every day, so these are only blocked ones shown here. Another core request is download. This is file download, and this is plugins info. By knowing which core external requests happening, you can further optimize your WordPress website. I have a screenshot of another request, core request, which is translations, and it's slow request. You can see that on average it took 0.9 seconds, and it's really slow when it's added to the page time. So when we click on it, we can see that page time took 1.7 seconds, and this request alone took, like translation request alone took 1.1 second, and it happened on login page. So from here we can say that this website uses translation, and when we check login page, you can see there is a switch from Turkish to English and then login. But generally for a WordPress using foreign language, they don't need any switch, because if it's in one language, then everyone is comfortable using it in one language. Why would WordPress put a check? Because no one wants English version in that country, in any other country as well. So you cannot remove English, and actual problem is not this switch. Problem is when WordPress shows this switch, it also checks for translation, for updates to translation. So it checks every 3 hours for new translations to your WordPress version. So every 3 hours means it will check 8 times a day. So when any user tries to log in, it will check for translation, and which will be annoying, which is really annoying, because translations don't need to be checked so much, and once it's translated, once everybody is happy with it, you don't need to check translations. So what we can do, solution will be to disable language switch box. So we can disable it using a plugin, disable login language selector plugin, or if we are using code snippets, we can add custom code which will disable that switch. Or we can, if we are not using in any other foreign language, we can go and delete that foreign language and switch back to regular US English version of WordPress. So viewing requests by core feature helps you to pinpoint exact location why your WordPress is slow and fix it, so users don't experience, or yourself or WordPress administrator don't experience that slowdown, and you speed up your WordPress website. Most of the core features that are not useful, like browse happy, enclosure check, is blocked automatically, so you don't need to worry about them. When you select smart block mode, it will be blocked, and some update checks will also be blocked without affecting your other updates, so your WordPress will be still up to date. Don't worry about it. So this is how you optimize your external requests made by WordPress Core. You can find more HTTP requests manager videos, how to use it, how to optimize your WordPress external requests inside your WordPress. You can view all those videos in my playlist. I will put a link in description. If you want more optimization, like all WordPress optimization, I have a checklist which I used to get 90 plus page speed score for all my websites. You can download it from webpa.com/speed. I will put a link in description as well. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you like it and share it with your friends, colleagues that may find this helpful, you can share it. Don't forget to subscribe to get more optimization tips and tutorials.